warm greetings from IMT Ghaziabad. I am Professor Anjali Malik. I am associated with IMT Ghaziabad as Professor of Marketing and Associate Dean for Executive Programs. We are very happy to share that the applications for PGDM program now open. The PGDM Executive Program of IMT Ghaziabad is an 18 months accelerated PGDM program for people who come with prior work experience. It's an AICTE approved program and AACSB accredited, and this program has been in existence for more than 2 decades now. We had launched this program in the year 2000. So accordingly, the curriculum of the PGDM program is designed to equip you with better knowledge, skills and attitudes for being able to take up higher leadership roles. We offer mostly the general management breadth of courses, but if we are looking at the recent trends, there is a lot of convergence happening with technology and management. So we have always aimed at equipping our curriculum with cutting-edge recent technologies. For that, we have world-class, globally acclaimed faculties. We invite very senior industry professionals who help us not only in designing our curriculum, but also teaching us or mentoring our students and handhold them to higher roles. Similarly, another signature element of our program is an international immersion. The students, they go on international immersion to a very reputed international school for about a month, wherein they complete a term. And specifically, that exposure gives them a lot of insights into cross-cultural issues, global issues, and how does project management or leadership is different from what we do here in terms of what the other cultures are doing. And this program is highly appreciated by our students. In case some of you want to know their insights and reflections, you can look at the LinkedIn profiles of these people who have just returned from Portugal, and they're sharing their reflections in terms of their learnings, plus other cross-cultural things that they picked up while being there in Portugal for some time. So this program, in terms of all details, architecture is all available on the website. In case you want some personal inputs or a personal counseling, please do feel free to write to us on admissions@img.edu. We'll revert back to you. Along with that, we are also planning to organize a series of webinars and seminars in the short time. Details of all these webinars and seminars will be available on the website of IMT Ghaziabad. We will be very happy to answer to any query that you may have. And I invite you all to join this program. Thank you.